So yes, my people, welcome to the channel Yardman Farming TV. Yes, a lot of persons, around the house and the farm, them call a little thing with them call them duck ants. Yeah man, so duck ants, termite, them can destroy all around the house. So I'm gonna give you a little home remedy, how to kill all those pests, all those termites. Just a little home remedy hack. So keep on watching, guys. Yardman Farming TV. Bless up on yourself. So this is a mango tree. So this is the bark of the mango tree. So on the mango tree you're gonna have a lot of duck ants. Duck ants making their way up so they can make a nest. So we all need to get rid of them very fast. So you will see the simple home remedy hack. Yeah man, so a lot of duck ants are destroy the tree and also can get inside of the house. So this is how we kill duck ants in Jamaica. Yardman Farming TV. Yeah, duck ants love a lot of hoods, love a lot of trees. So them are gonna find some farm and means and ways to see if them can make a nest inside of the tree anywhere at all. So I'm gonna show you a home remedy how to kill these duck ants. So this is the duck ants nest. I'm gonna show you some more. Duck ants, as you can see, they are moving. So this is the home remedy you need. So you need a spray pan, any spray bottle at all, but I have my spray pan. And also I have some sud soap powder and also some vinegar. A lot of persons always have this in the household, so vinegar also. So any form of soap powder can use, but my choice would be sud. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna pour some of the soap powder inside. I have some water in it already. So I'm gonna put some of the soap powder in it. Also my vinegar. So keep on watching, guys. So after I mix it, close my pan. So I'm gonna shake it up. Then I'm gonna apply some pressure inside my tank. So I'm gonna show you again. Look at this. This work 100%. So I'm gonna remove some of the dirt from over the duck ants. And this is my spray pan nozzle. Just look at it, my people. This work 100%. So you're gonna leave it for a couple seconds and you will see the result. See? No more movements of the duck ants. So there's a simple home remedy hack. Vinegar, soap powder, and a spray bottle just to kill some termite, some duck ants. So if you learned something from this channel, kindly subscribe and leave it in the comments. because you know duckants destroy a lot of person's house and it always give a funny smell. So yes, my people, get rid of them very fast with a simple hack.